What's up, internet? Steamy Coins here once again. Thanks for checking out my video. Alright guys, I'd really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe to my videos. Try to put out one every day, just speaking about the cryptocurrency market and mostly what's going on with my investments, and most of my investments are on the Tron blockchain. Alright guys, so what you're looking at on the screen is the overall markets, overall market capitalization. And as you can see, within the last hour and the last 24 hours there has been a lot of selling. Alright, Bitcoin crossed the major resistance line of 6,000. Yeah, so market's still going up. Let's take a look at the dominance right here. Bitcoin at 57.2% dominance, which is the highest it's been in well over a year. Take a closer look here. Let's see. Yeah, so look at this. The dominance, very high. So that usually means that the altcoins are under a lot of pressure. So a lot of the value is leaving the altcoins and going into Bitcoin. Alright, so eventually Bitcoin is gonna sell off to the altcoins and the altcoins are gonna rise. That's the way it usually works. Alright, so me personally, what I'm doing right now, I'm gonna buy into the altcoins. I'm not gonna buy into Bitcoin. So specifically I'm thinking about taking up a position in Zcash and just holding it for a while. When altcoin season comes, I'll just sell that Zcash for more Bitcoin. Alright, so that's that. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin USD chart. You see the top blue line here, it just broke through a major resistance level, and the reason why that's major resistance is because over the last, let's see, over the last 2 years, almost 2 years, probably a year and a half, that has been a major support. You see the top blue line here, how it touches that line multiple times, drops on, touches that line, comes down, touches that line again, bounces, touches that line, bounces, touches that line, bounces, then smashes through. Alright, so that was a major support line for a long time. Now we went down and now we're back up. So this is a more recent resistance here, broke through that. This bottom blue line looks like it's gonna form the new support, but this up here, this price of 6,037 approximately, yeah, 6,011 or $6,046 approximately is a major resistance level. Well, basically $6,000 is a major resistance level, and we crossed that last night. All right, so yeah, still looking very bearish. Me personally, I wouldn't buy this right now because it's due for a pullback. Alright, so I'm expecting it to maybe pull back, bounce around in this area, and continue to go up. Some people are more bearish on this. Some people, I was actually listening to another YouTuber today. He thinks it's actually gonna fall all the way back down to 4,200. I don't see that happening, but that's always a possibility. But the bull run that we're on right now, I don't see that happening. Alright, so yeah, so that's just my opinion on that. But at the moment we are in bullish territory. Alright, so let's just take a look at some of my earnings over the last 24 hours. Let's go here. Tron Bank, not much to say about Tron Bank. They're still trying to set up their new contract, TRXS contract, coming soon. So they put out the code and they're allowing people to inspect the code. They actually have a bug hunt going on, so any developer that's able to find errors in the contract can report it, and they'll be able to collect a price for that. Alright, yeah, so that's that. They're still paying out a little bit of dividends. For the TNT I have frozen. So right here I have 193 BitTorrent token and just 2 Tron. So let me just get that. Small profit, but any profit is good profit, right? Alright, withdraw that. Alright, so that's on its way to my wallet. And let's see here. Oh, I wanted to talk about this this company here, My Passive Trades. So actually, give me a second, guys. Yeah, give me a second. Let me just log in real quick. Yeah, guys. So My Passive Trades. So this is a trading company, and whatever you invest with them, they will repay 1% daily, a minimum of 1%. Alright, so they take your funds, they trade it for you, and they keep their profit, and they pay you 1%. So they're paying you 1%. So that means you will ROI in about 3 months. Alright, and you can also compound that. So me right now, I haven't invested much as yet, just $5, and you pay them in Bitcoin. So just $5 Bitcoin, only made 15 cents profit. Alright, but this is something I'm definitely going to start leaning into more. Alright, so this is a good, nice little passive income to just put out there, you know, have some money out there working for you. Me personally, I'm doing most of my own trading. Alright, but it's always good to have some money off on the sides, just, you know, just working for you, that you don't have to really think about. Alright, so I'd suggest you guys check this out. I have the links to this in the description. But the way this basically works is you buy, they call it ad packs, right? So you buy an ad pack, and the smallest ad pack is $5. Well, actually 1 unit is $5. So, and you can purchase as many as you want. Alright, and basically what you earn, you see it right here. You can actually just select it and just buy more. Alright, so you don't have to actually send them more Bitcoin or anything like that. You can just take your earnings and just, you know, buy more ad packs. And then you can withdraw whenever. There's no limit as to how long or how much you need to withdraw. Just withdraw. Alright, so you can withdraw every day. Alright, so yeah, check this out, guys. Links in the description. Alright, alright, so what else do I have going on? P3T. Let's see, P3T. So they have a new game on their API called Flat Earth Crypto. Haven't invested as yet. I hold some P3T tokens. So what happens is every time someone invests in that game, 2% goes to the P3T holders. Alright, one P3T right now costs 29.6 Tron. Alright, so this is a long-term hold. I don't have much P3T in this wallet. Well, don't have any really, but I have some on another wallet. But yeah, this is looking good. It's growing slowly, not as fast as I had initially thought it would have grown, but it's growing nonetheless. Alright, but definitely a long-term play. One up is up to 1.42% daily. Alright, so you know, trying to get to that 2%. Contract is at 4.7 million Tron, you know, holding steady. Yeah, so overnight, let's say I made 10 Tron. I'm just gonna reinvest that, sign that transaction. Alright, there we go. Alright, so on to Magic Dice, a casino on the Steam blockchain. Let's see here. Yeah, so this is the biggest casino on the Steam blockchain. I have 138,000 tokens, 138,407 Magic tokens. Alright, so in 24 hours, it earned me not much at all, actually, just 5 cents Steam, but I'll take it, you know. And that's on its way to my wallet. Smart Steam is another service I use to sell upvotes. Alright, so that earned me 9 cents Steam. So the thing about Steam is the more popular cryptocurrencies get, the faster you earn on Steam, basically, because it's built for a social network, right? It's really a blockchain that is mostly designed towards like the social networking aspect. So the more people are talking about cryptocurrencies and looking into it, the more and faster you can earn on Steam. All right, so let's see here. Alright, good. So what do we have next? Tron dividends. It's coming along slowly but surely. Have to wait till the stage completes. When I say it completes, I get my dividends. Alright, and then there's the new game, Blackjack. Blackjack is paying out. They have a separate token. It's just a temporary token, and it has its own div pool. And yeah, so that's gonna merge with the main div pool in, I think it's about 1 week left. Yeah, so that's looking good. Just have to wait a little bit. This is definitely one of the more long-term plays. Yeah, that music, I know. Alright, so that's Tron. CC Bank, their TRX fund drained out too fast, in my opinion. I don't think they got this contract right. So the way they had this set up is they had different VIP levels, right? VIP 0, VIP 1, VIP 2, all the way up to VIP 5. So the more Tron you invest, is the higher percentage you get paid out, which I think is the wrong way to go about it, because if you're a smaller investor, you don't stand a chance, right? And you really have to make the game in a way to give the smaller investor a chance for you to be successful in the long run, basically. But no, you don't stand a chance, because I'm imagining most people are not above VIP 1, right? So the most you're gonna get is 8%, while the whales are getting 12%. So the contract drained way too fast. I invested 1,000 Tron and I only walked away with 795. Wait, not even actually. That was yeah, I only walked away with 676. So that was a loss. That was about what 250 Tron loss. Yeah. So I think the way they should have done it is either put a limit on the amount that you can invest in the contract, or allow the people that will make the people that invest more Tron get a smaller daily percentage. That's the only way it's gonna last. That's the only way everybody's gonna profit. So yeah, so hopefully they come up with some better rules next time. They put out the BTT fund. It looks like it's draining fast also, and they have the same setup. So the more BTT you put in, the more a percentage you get out. So you're gonna expect that to drain just as fast also. CCB fund, the CCB fund is not draining as fast. It's still the same rules, but because so much CCB was given out for free, I got so much for free. I see a lot of people taking a lot more risk, and I'm taking more risk too, so I'm reinvesting that. So let me just go ahead and just reinvest this right now. What's that? 342. Withdraw and sign the transaction. Alright, there we go. So that's on its way back to my wallet. Let me just throw that back in. I'm going to make it 5% daily on this. So it's invalid amount. So let's just take off that 342 and sign the transaction. Alright, good. So okay, 2,700. Alright, so we'll see how that goes. Do my daily check-in. Every time you do a check-in, you earn 100 CCB, and then if you keep doing it consecutively, you start to accumulate more, so you start getting more CCB. And so yeah, I'm not sure what they're gonna do with that CCB token, but they're gonna do something. Anyway, on to the big money maker now. Tron, wow. So this is making a lot of money. Let's see here. At the moment, it's paying out 6.68%. Alright, and there's 10 hours left. You know, so that's huge. It usually finishes off around 9%. Alright, so you're making like 9% daily. Alright, sometimes it goes a little bit over. At the pace it's going right now, I think it might do 10%. Alright, so yeah, you can ROI in a very short amount of time. Especially if you're compounding, you can ROI in even shorter amount of time. Alright, so if you just buy in and just hold, you ROI in about 10 days. If you keep reinvesting, you know, every day for that 10 days, you ROI in 5 days. So yeah, very, very profitable. The wonderful thing about this DApp is they got hacked the other day, right? And they were only down for 24 hours. They reset the div pool, closed the loophole, put the Tron back in the div pool, and went right back at it. And the price on the exchanges dropped, but it came right back. You know, so this is extremely resilient. And I see a lot of people fighting about this, but they don't have valid points. A lot of them they're kind of salty because they didn't get in early. But if they look at the contract and read the white paper, they'll realize it really doesn't matter when you get in, because once you get in, you start earning almost about 10% of what you invest in the first day. Alright, so I'm about to put some, because I have some WoW on the exchange. I was trying to trade it for some more. The price went down. There's no point just having it sit there, because that WoW can earn me 10% in the next 10 hours. So I'm gonna cancel those orders and actually just freeze that WoW. So let's see here. Alright, so I have one order for 378 WoW and another order for 170 WoW. Alright, so I was trying to just swing this back and forth. I had these orders in before the hack. The price went down, so I'm not just gonna have that sitting around waiting. You know, I'm gonna put that WoW to work, because at the end of the day, I'm suspecting I should be able to clear maybe 150 Tron for this day, and I can always use that and scoop up some more, you know. So let's see. Alright, so it's 170. Let's wait for that to show up. Alright, there we go, 170, and cancel that order. Alright, great. So I have 548 WoW. So I'm just gonna take that over here, refresh the page. Alright, there you go, 548 WoW. Freeze that. Alright, so look at the price, 46 Tron. Alright, so let me freeze that. And you get, and by the way guys, always look at what you're signing to, right? Because the other day there was a hack where the contract actually, once you try to invest, once you try to withdraw, what it did is it actually charged your account. So it asked how much was in your wallet, and then it charged that exact amount, so it just stole everything in your wallet. So always pay attention to what you're signing to. Anyway, so that's freezing. Alright, there you go. Let's see how much this jumps. Awesome. So almost 60 Tron. So jump from 40, what was it, 43? It's 57 now. So, and we're only at 6%. So it should be well over 100 Tron I clear. Alright, so it's looking good. And yeah, so I have a couple trades going on Tron trade. Let's see here, what do I have? I have BitTorrent token. Alright, so I'm trying to sell some once it reaches 28,524 suns. Let's see what the progress is on that. Alright, so yeah, so once it reaches right here, let me blow that up a bit. So basically I'm just trading back and forth with this, right? Just trying to collect more BitTorrent token. So whenever it dips down, I'll collect some. When it trades up, I sell. Right, so I'm suspecting like maybe 2, 3, 4 hours from now this should hit this price level, and then I'll sell. So once that sells, later on, I'll probably be doing this from my mobile, but once it sells up here, I'm gonna buy some more down here and just keep doing that. Alright, so on each move, that's about a 10% profit. So let me use this price range tool here. Alright, so I'm expecting it to sell around here. I forgot what the exact number is. Let me look at that. 28,000. Okay, 500. Alright, so 28,500. Okay, that's about here. Alright, so I sell there. I'm gonna try to buy it around here. Alright, so it's well on its way to hitting that mark. Once it does, it's gonna give me back my Tron. Then I'm gonna put in another order to purchase around here and just keep doing that. Back and forth, just accumulating more BitTorrent token. And this is probably the easiest play right now on the Tron blockchain, just because we know what's coming for BitTorrent token. So soon you'll be able to share files and earn BitTorrent token for it. So for example, a new movie comes out, you get the movie, you just share it, you start seeding it, and people will basically connect to your computer and get small pieces of that file, and you get a little bit of cryptocurrency for that service. And like new shows come out, for example Game of Thrones, the most popular show in the world, people are going to be seeding, people are going to want that movie, you have it, you just seed, earn BitTorrent tokens. So we know that is coming. Alright, so that's what makes this basically the easiest trade on the network right now. So my plan is to get as much of this token as possible, because right now it's obviously that we are at the bottom, so the price is gonna pop, and when it pops, it's gonna pop big time. Alright, so yeah, anyway guys, so that's it for me today. Links to these dApps are in the description, and like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Peace.